Hi guys, this trick is called Perfect Combination. We're here with Christina. Christina, how are you?
Good.
Good, Christina. I have here two chips. I have a red chip and a yellow chip, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to place the chips into my hand. But first I want you to inspect the chips. Make sure the chips are normal chips, nothing special about them. Okay? Alright? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chips, place the chips into my hand, and I'm going to stack them on top like so. Alright? I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, but we have two chips. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my hand over, and I'm going to pull one of the chips out. All you got to do is tell me what color is in this hand and what color is in that hand. So right now we have the red chip here, and what's in this hand?
Yellow.
No, that's the red chip there. See, the yellow chip is over here. We'll do it again. One more time. Watch. Right? I'll take the chips again. I'll pull the red chip out here. Okay, the red chip's here. What's here?
Yellow.
No, see, that's the red chip there. The yellow chip's over there. We'll do one more time. Very fair. Watch. Watch the yellow chip. Watch the red chip. Okay. I'll actually pull the red chip out. You see the red chip is here. So the red chip is here. What's here?
Yellow.
No, see, that's the red chip here. But see, so if the red chip's here, what's here?
Yellow.
No, see, the yellow chip's over here, the red chip's back there. We'll do one more time. Very fair. Watch. This is as simple as it gets. I pull it out. Watch. I pull out the red chip there. The red chip goes into my pocket. The red chip's in my pocket. What's here?
Yellow.
You see, the red chip's over here. The yellow chip's in my pocket. And that's the trick. And you can, if you want to, you can actually inspect everything. The red and yellow chip. And that is perfect combination. Hi guys, this is the explanation for the trick called Perfect Combination. What you get are 4 different colored chips, yellow and red. Okay, this one is yellow and red. These 3 are non-magnetic, but this one chip is magnetic. Okay, you also will include a small magnet as well as a yellow and red disc, like so. Okay, so like a long disc. Now what happens is this will adhere to the back of one of the chips, okay, magnetically. It will not adhere to the other ones, as you can see, right? And so forth and so on, all right? Like that. Now, you're going to place one of the red chips and one of the yellow chips into your pocket, the non-magnetic ones into your pocket, all right? And the magnetic yellow chip and the red one will be on the table as so. The magnetic disc will be in your hand, okay, yellow side up, alright, yellow side up. So all I do now is I ask Christina to take a look at the chips. She inspects the chips, she looks at them up and down, she finds that there's nothing on the other sides, okay, and what I do is I say, take a look at the yellow chip, and then she inspects the yellow chip. I say, now take a look at the red chip. As she's inspecting the red chip, I take the yellow chip and I place it into my hand. What I'm doing here is I'm letting the magnet take a hold. And now the magnetic chip is on the other side, showing red. What I've essentially done is I've made this a double-sided chip. Alright? So now I do that. She looks at the red one, she sees everything is fine, and you're good, ready to go. Here's how the effect works. You take the red chip, place the red chip on top of the yellow, and place everything in your hand. Now you're going to place this in the middle of your palm. I'm going to close my hand up and turn my hand over. When I turn my hand over, what happens is, this is what the orientation is like. You have the double-sided chip this way, and the one-sided chip the other way. Okay? So like that, you turn everything over, like so, and then you get to pull out one of the chips. I'm going to pull out the double-sided chip with the red side facing upwards. Okay? And I'm going to place that on my fingertips. Alright? Now as I close my hand, I don't close my hand that way. I close my hand this way. This is called the swivel motion. Okay? You can teach your kids this by telling them just to swivel their hand that way and to close their hand. So they turn over and they keep their hands closed. Okay? So now if I want to show the red again, I can just unswivel and show the red. If I want to show yellow, I turn my hand over and show the yellow. It looks like the same idea, but it's in reality 2 different things. Okay? So I show the chips, yellow and red. I put the red on top of the yellow, I place this into my hand, I turn my hand over, and I pull out the double-sided chip, place it on my fingertips. I ask Christina, what is in my right hand? She will say red. I do that, I say, Christina, what's in my left hand? And she'll say yellow. In fact, she'll be wrong, because you'll show it to be red, and all you have to do is turn your hand over on the other hand and show that it's yellow. Okay? So now show that the chips have changed places. You do this again. Place the yellow on the bottom, the red on top, turn your hand over, pull the double face chip out again, do the exact same thing. You say, this is the red here, what's here? She will say,
yellow.
She'll be wrong again, and then you show that they jump again. Okay? The third part is kind of weird, but it's still pretty magical. You put the yellow like normal, the red on top, turn everything over. This time you're going to grab the real red chip, which is the bottom chip in this case. Pull it out, and you say which one is this one here? And she'll say red, and you'll go, very good. I'll go, which one is in this hand? And she'll say yellow. And what I'll do is I'm going to unswivel and I'm going to show, no, this is actually the red one. And then I'll say, if this is the red one, this must be the yellow one. And then obviously it turns back to red again, and then you open up your hand here and show the yellow's jumped. So it's like a really weird double take kind of effect. In fast motion, it looks like this. Right? I take it out. So what is this one, Christina?
Red.
What is this one then?
Yellow.
No, see that's the red one. And so if that's the red one here, what's this one?
Yellow.
No, see that's the red one here because the yellow one's over here. So it's a weird jumping back and forth kind of effect. The finale, this is my favorite part, is you take the yellow, leave the yellow in your hand, put the red on top, and turn your hand over. You pull out the double facer again, and you say, look, I'm going to put the red chip into my pocket. Now as I do that, I'm taking that, and I'm switching those two, switching that one for the two in my pocket. Very quietly, of course. And then she'll say, the red one go into my pocket, so I'll say, what's in my hand? She'll say yellow, I'll say, no, it's actually the red one. Right? And then I'll say, the yellow one's actually in my pocket, and then I'll put that one away, and I'll say, you can actually take a look at the two, and she can inspect everything, because at that point, she's inspected at the beginning, inspected at the end, and you're left clean. In your pocket is the special gimmick chip as well as the other chip, and you can finish the effect. That is called perfect combination.